Flowers.
Flowers, yeah, yay!
Paper. Pedro. Pedro.
Who's on the pictures?
Pedro.
Oh.
Pedro.
Your favorite, huh?
Aww.
That's Louie.
Cute Louie.
Cute Louie.
What's that?
Let's see. Oh, that's Pedro and Uncle Bill.
I'm sleeping. Uncle Mike. And Pedro. Uncle Mike and Pedro. Oh, Uncle Mike and Pedro.
That's Uncle Bill.
You silly.
You haven't seen your Uncle Bill in a while, have you?
Uncle Bill?
Uncle Bill.
What is that?
Oh, it's a dog.
No. Oh, it's a dog. Whoa, that's you.
Let me see. Oh, it's Dad and Mia.
Dad.
Oh, another one.
Dad.
Oh.
Let me see. Oh, it was a Dad's birthday.
Yeah.
Dad's birthday cake.
Dad. 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 Daddy's with a necklace.
I got your necklace on.
Yeah.
Is it pink?
Yeah. Oh, Dad.
Can you tell that I take multiples of the same picture?
You bring your hat. You bring your hat.
I got my hat on.
Yeah. Dad! That's you. And me, you, that's my dad.
What?
Dad?
Who's that?
Oh, that's, it's dog.
She's smarter than I am. I didn't know you could do that with that.
I was thinking that.
Dog.
It's amazing that she's just sitting here scrolling through these pictures.
Dog. Dog!
Damn it, she said no.
What is that?
Let's see. Let me see it.
What's Pedro's ring?
Pedro's ring? I don't know if he has a ring.
That's
Let's see.
him.
Yeah, that's he's wearing a bandana.
Oh.
Oh.